Hey ladies, so today we're going to do a quick full body weight workout. So you don't need any weights for this workout. All you need is your body and maybe a mat. Alright, so we're going to get into the first exercise. The first exercise are burpees. And I do know everyone hates burpees, but don't worry, I do give you a beginner modification. So this is the beginner modification. As you can see, I take out that jump, but I still have that push up so you can get some upper body workout in. Keep pushing, ladies. We're almost there. Almost there. Give it all you got. Okay, now we have a 15-second break, and this is a short preview of the next exercise. This exercise is called 1, 2, 3 touch, and you're going to take 3 steps and then touch the floor. Okay, going right into those 1, 2, 3 touch. You're going to take 3 steps to the side and touch down, putting your hand near your foot. As you can see, make sure you lean all the way down and bend those knees on the way down. And you want to do this workout as fast as you can, but not too fast to where you're compromising your form. So just try to keep that same rhythm. 1, 2, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3 touch. Almost there. Okay, we got another 15-second break. This exercise is called elbow to knee. We're going to do each leg separately. So you're going to do 10 to 15 seconds on each leg, and then you're going to switch. So going right into that elbow to knee, and I do have a beginner modification coming up for you ladies if you have problems balancing yourself like this. But you want to do this movement nice and slow and controlled. This is the beginner modification, so you're going to alternate between both legs, bringing the knee to as close to the elbow as you can. Okay, you really want to crunch those obliques. So this is really an oblique and a ab exercise. Almost there, ladies. 3 more seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna let you ladies catch your breath, and we have a 60-second break. And now we're gonna have a short message from me. Hey guys, DejaFitBeauty here, and while you're resting and catching your breath, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a private Facebook group. It's called Keto Fit Queens. This group is absolutely free, but it's another way that you can connect with me and also get some free tips on learning how to do keto the right way. Talk about keto, we do live workouts, I do a lot of live motivational talks, things like that. You can ask me questions. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the link in the description if you want to join us. Alright, almost done with that break, ladies. About 10 more seconds, and then we're going to get right into the next exercise. All right, here we go. Exercise number 4. This is a squat kick. So you want to squat down, pressing through the heels, and then you're going to bring that leg up, controlling the abs, getting that knee up. This is a beginner modification, so as you can see, I'm just not going as far into the squat, and I'm not lifting my legs so high. So if you have an issue getting low in the squat, just don't go as low, but make sure you're still pressing through your heels, because that's what's going to activate those glutes. All right, another 15-second break. This is the preview for the next exercise. This exercise is called Good Mornings, and it's going to be paired with a squat. So the bending motion is called Good Mornings, and it works the hamstrings. All right, getting right into the exercise. So when you do this, you want to balance through your heels of your feet. You don't want to be on your toes, because that's going to make you lose your balance. Make sure all of the weight are in the heels of your feet, and that's what's going to activate those glutes and those hamstrings. All right, ladies, we got 10 more seconds to go. Let's go. Alright, here is the preview for the next exercise. These are called plank jacks, and don't worry, I do have a beginner modification for you ladies. Starting the exercise now. Let's get it, ladies. So plank jacks, you want to get in a plank position, and then you want to jack your feet in and out like a jumping jack. And this is the beginner modification. So we're taking out that jump and we're just gonna bring the feet out, out, in. Okay, so just keep that rhythm. Okay, it's out, out, in, out, out, in. Almost there, ladies. 10 more seconds. All right, ladies, that concludes this workout. So for a full workout, you want to do this whole entire circuit about 2 to 3 times. That should run you about a 30-minute workout and work the entire body. So if you enjoyed this workout, if you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to check out some of my other workout videos. Don't forget to join my Facebook group, Keto Fit Queens, and I'll see you ladies on the next video. Bye, guys.